Can I pour a concrete foundation in multiple pieces? I'm building a 25-meter 65-foot block retaining wall. The engineering specifications require a concrete foundation for the block wall equal to about 4 cubic meters 141 cubic feet of concrete, with reinforcing bar mesh throughout. This includes 10% waste. Due to access problems on our rural property, the pre-mix concrete supplier will need to make multiple deliveries with a small truck. However, they won't guarantee the deliveries will all arrive within a particular time window, or even on the same day. I don't want to get halfway through pouring a single foundation only to find out the next delivery won't be for another day. My proposed solution is to pour the foundation in multiple sections to guarantee each section will be completed in a single pour. Reinforcing bar runs between sections joining them together, and formwork used to hold each section in place until the next section is ready to pour. Question: can I pour the foundation in a number of smaller segments which are joined by the reinforcing bar but poured on different days, or will this result in a severe structural problem for the wall sitting on the foundation? Is a better approach to hire my own mixer and pour many small sections, similar to what is described in this question? Question from user guest 12345 at Stack Exchange. Answer: I agree with Eknerwal. Yes, you can do that. I also agree to extend the rebar past the pour drill holes in the form boards and extend the rebar out the holes. Code and the CRSI requires 30 bars diameters. So, if you're using 4 bars 12 RD quo diameter, then you need to extend it a minimum of 15 RD quo. Answer from user Lee Sam at Stack Exchange.